This is the Tech Chick wood carving kit, and it has a really nice, probably vinyl carrying case. It's very soft. I like this one because it has this extra flap that covers the tools. It'll fold up and buckle on those snaps. So I really like that. It's got a handle. It also comes with a strap if you want a strap. But getting into the knives, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the larger size and then 5 of the smaller size. It's got all the knives you would need. They all come with protective pieces to cover the top for shipping, or you could leave them on for using. You've got all the different, the detail knife, you've got the rough cutting knife, all these different profiles. The spoon is the one I'm kind of excited about trying. I've never had one like this, and I really am looking forward to trying that. Also, you get the small detail knives. All the knives, the handles are very large. Like, it gives you a lot of good leverage to hold that handle. Fits in your hand really good, so when you're carving, you get a good handle on it. All right, so that's the knives. You also, Velcroed in is this little side kit holder. And in that holder, you can add your sanding pads. They're like sponge sanding pads. You can also put a grinding stone that they add in if you need to fix any edges. And then a stropping kit. You've got the leather strop with the stropping compound. And that can all go in that side bag. So, okay, they give you one set of cut resistant gloves. Now, they're not going to save you from every bad cut, but they will resist some cuts. And I recommend, as a beginner, make sure your tools are sharp, because the only time I've ever been cut is when I'm pushing too hard with a dull tool. So make sure to wear those. One problem with these that I find is they're not very grippy. The knives will slide in your hands. But if you use both of those, they also put in this self-sticky tape that you can wrap around your fingers to give you a little bit more grip on that knife. And that could probably be used with the gloves or without the gloves. All that in a kit. Great set of knives, a lot of other accessories, your strop, everything in a nice kit.